Hey my lovelies, welcome back to the channel. I'm feeling like a glow up right now. Y'all, I had an allergic reaction. It's really hard for me to breathe though. My lungs said, no. We're focusing in on my eyebrows today. Your girl's eyebrows have been growing out for months. I do my own eyebrows at home. Child, I don't got $100 to give somebody to do my eyebrows. I do everything at home by myself, and if I can't do it, I learn. This channel is the perfect opportunity so we can learn together. We all be on YouTube University, and this stuff not hard. You see somebody do it, I feel like I can get the gist of it. I'm a visual learner. I'm just thinking a big glow up overnight because I'm tired of feeling
You woke up this morning feeling like a chicken nugget.
You feel your best when you look your best. I ain't been trying to do nothing. Life been life and I ain't been doing me. I'll start doing back me, period. Oil, vitamin E oil to be specific. What does look glow D? This is it. This is the final. Y'all, let me know if you like my hair. It looks a little dry because it's been out all day now. Let me know what y'all think about my little mini glow up. Don't forget to like it, comment something nice, maybe some hearts. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Bye.